Today I will be doing monitors and helping with the stage setup for a Blues Society show. This one's going to be a challenge because there's a ton of guitars to mix all at the same time. We're going to be using one RCF 8008 and two HDL 10s per side. They are using bongos and congas, a Hammond SK2, and here's the fun part. Look at all these amps. This guitar right here gives me anxiety. One bump on any cable and that thing's gonna go right down onto the cement. And if you know anything about Gibsons, that headstock will break right off. Well, I don't want to say for sure, but it seems like these blues guys really love their Fender amps. It's a really good clean platform for pedals, so you can kind of customize your tone really well and really easily. Here's my home for the night. And then a shot out front. It's a gorgeous night and the turnout is already pretty good. Never in my life have I had so many guitar lines. The biggest challenge really is for the front of house. With all the same amps, it's going to be tough to give them sonic space for each guitar. Thankfully, they're not all going to be playing until later at the end of the show. We are using the good old ZLX monitors, but the Keys got the new RCF monitor for tonight. About 3 feet from me is the giant amp the keyboard player is using, which makes it hard to see if percussion needs anything from me. Really, I should have set up over on this side of the stage, but by the time we saw the Keys would be moving to the front row, it was too late to move all that gear. Oh well, I have an iPad that I can use. No big deal. Please hit me with a subscribe if you're enjoying this content. I'm getting close to being monetized, and once I'm monetized, I can actually buy some more cool recording gear or even music gear. This kid was rocking the show. This giant screen in the background doesn't look as terrible in real life. It does make photos and videos, however, really bad looking. Okay, time for the big finale. I'm gonna go ahead and let this play out, so please enjoy the show. That was an interesting show. Trying to keep 8 guitar players all going and keep them from trampling on each other was quite a challenge, but it actually wasn't as hard as I was thinking it was going to be. Everybody that we worked with was really, really cool to work with and easy to work with, but yeah, you're stressed out the whole time thinking, how am I going to pull this off? But we did it. Here's the end to another successful show. Thank you for joining me for tonight's gig, and we'll see you at the next show.